Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to level up your Among Us skills. Isn't that great? All you have to do is to watch the video until the end, and you can also, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Just do it please, come on. So here we go. Did you know at the beginning it was called Mafia Space, but after some time they changed the name to Among Us? Well, if you're wondering why and where Mafia Space came from, I must say, for space, it's because you're always in a spaceship or you're always traveling in space. Like, come on, literally everything is about space. And for Mafia, some of you might already playing Mafia with your friends, and if you didn't, well, I must explain it real quick. Mafia is a party game that is divided in two groups. For example, 10 people are participating in this game. There are 3 people in Mafia and the others are citizens. Mafia should eliminate citizens and citizens must expose Mafia and vote them off. Well, it does make sense now when they came up with this Mafia Space idea. As imposter, if you are in vents, your cooldown won't go down at all, so you can chill in vent and wait to kill. Well, as a crewmate, just memorize which rooms vents go to. For example, if you found a body in electrical, after reporting it, ask people if they saw anyone came out from medbay or security, because whoever imposter was could have used the vent in electrical to medbay and security. Just don't forget to do your visual tasks in front of everyone, so they can vouch for you while meeting. The visual tasks are the one with animations like medbay scan, weapons clearing asteroids, garbage chute in storage, and activating the shield. Don't fake tasks too quickly, so you're going to have to learn how long these tasks generally take. For example, that task with downloading files takes 9 seconds, so if you were pretending or faking that task, remember to wait there for 9 seconds. The free play is a good way to practice in every map you want. You can learn the map and other tasks that is not available in other maps. Oh damn! I always knew that I have this talent of rapping. Let's go! Never mind. You can also use this laptop so that you can practice as both imposter and crewmate. Be cautious when defending your imposter teammates' lies, because if they get caught, it's pretty obvious that it is you. So just take a minute, think of how bad is the situation with your teammate, and you can choose to defend your teammate or maybe not. Just because someone wasn't suspicious, that doesn't mean that they aren't imposter. Only vouch for the people who did visual tasks in front of you, or only defend the people who is with you all the time when a double kill happens. Don't ever just give yourself up. You might be able to get away with it. Just trust yourself and your skills. As an imposter, you just gotta try to lie. Since you can't communicate during the game, a little wiggle motion is a good way to get someone's attention as both an imposter or even a crewmate. And if you are imposter and your teammate is near you, prepare to go for a double kill. They have to trust that you will do it. So just be ready for it. When lights go off and multiple people are trying to fix it, just step aside and let someone else fix it. You can even watch others in the meanwhile, be lucky and see someone get killed, or even be luckier to recognize the imposter. If both imposters are alive and there's 6 people left, crewmates need to vote someone, or imposters can have a double kill and win. You have to vote someone off. It's going to be a loss guaranteed if you don't. Learn the maps so that you can lie better about the routes you took. As crewmate, keep tracking of who is near you and where they are going. As a crewmate, if someone killed you while doing tasks, don't worry, you can still do them when you're a ghost. As an imposter, if you got caught and people vote you out, don't worry again, because you can still sabotage even though you're dead. You can get a lot of kills if you sabotage stuff away from the dead body to get yourself enough time for another kill recharge. How can you find out that someone is in security room watching the cams? Well, that's pretty easy. Whenever you saw a camera with red lights on it, someone is on cams. Here are two ways that you can swipe card without having problems. Take the card, just slowly swipe it until here, and then quickly swipe it till the end. Or you can do this and swipe the card 3 times as fast as you can. See, it's pretty easy now. So guys, hope you liked it. And for more Among Us tricks video, please just subscribe and smash that like. See you next time, take care.